I was sent this steel workbench with the steel backboard pegboard and asked to give my opinion on it, make this short video. Here's what you're going to get. It's very easy to put it together. It does come disassembled. The top here, it's solid wood. And this is very heavy, very nice piece of wood here. You can see how it's bound together, the way the different pieces are blended and glued and shaved down. Extremely heavy box. When you get this shipped to you, it is extremely heavy, and it's mainly because of that top. Not only is the top very heavy and rugged, but the legs are also. So you can see that these legs have extensions. You can choose to lift these legs up. They go several inches higher, probably 3 times as high as what I've got extended out here right now. I've got it on the shorter side. But those legs are very solid. They're already pre-built, so you just have to bolt them onto the sides. But the individual feet come down. They've got some very strong feet at the bottom with rubber in the base, so they'll hold that nice and steady. You can adjust it. There's threaded bolts there that let you adjust it so you can get a perfect height that's needed to be level on your floor. So you can lift up one side much higher than the other if you needed to, depending on how your floor is set up. The table has a nice drawer inside it as well. It slides out on ball bearings. It's nice and sturdy. It's all the way around, bolted all the way around all the edges. You put all kinds of things inside there, and it slides real nice. Even if it's a heavy filled drawer, it's going to slide nice. It's got very good ball bearings here that let it slide and roll like a regular toolbox. Another thing they give you with this workbench is a cover here that fits just perfectly across the whole tabletop. So if you want to try to protect the finish because you're going to be doing some particular work on here, then this cover does a great job for that. It's got a rubber backing here on this side, and then this side here is like a nylon fabric, so it's nice and smooth and it won't scratch anything that you might be working on. They give you these 3 panels here that are steel for pegboard. So these have enough thickness here to be able to be screwed into your wall. And then when you put your pegs into these different slots, then they have room behind them to be able to fit in and be able to be adjusted and moved and changed as you need. So really cool pegboards made out of steel, all of them. They match the same powder coated finish as the rest of the workbench, and they can be applied up on the wall wherever you need them to be. You can hang them independently of the table. Right now I just have them sitting on the table to show you what they look like. Overall, this is a very cool table. They come in different sizes. This particular one, it measures in at 48 inches on the width here, 4 feet. And this one is also about 2 inches deep. I'm sorry, 24 inches deep on the front to back. Really good size workbench. Great addition to any garage. So sturdy. I mean, you're getting a really quality product here. This is not a cheap, flimsy desk by any means. So this is a workbench that you'll use for many, many years. Hope that helps. Have a great day.